Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the limited Valentine mutation fish in Fish It. So just don't miss it because this one only appears during the Valentine event. First, you need to go to Heartfeld Island like this. The special fish only spawns during the Valentine event. This fish, the fish that has the love signs like this. This is the unique and limited fish for the Valentine event. And the event happens every 4 hours but only lasts 1 hour. And the schedule starts at 9 p.m. and then 1 a.m. and then 5 a.m. and next, and then just repeats after that. So make sure you arrive on time or you will miss this spawn. And and then to and then to increase chance to get this fish, just prepare your best fishing rod and best bait and use and then you can also push your chances by using love potions or Valentine totem, and this will help a lot because the mutation fish has a pretty low drop rate like this. And then during this event, just keep fishing in the event area like this. You can fishing on this pool or on the Valentine cave. Just be patient until you get the limited mutation fish. And okay, that's it. Just follow the time schedule and then use buff and keep fishing until you get these limited Valentine mutation fish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.